Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Flash on TikTok. TikTok allows you to use Flash while recording videos on the app. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and hit the plus button on the main toolbar. Once the camera screen opens, find the Flash icon on the right-hand side and click on it. As you can see, Flash is turned on. Now tap the button in order to start recording a video. When a video is recorded, you can insert stickers, write something, add music, and use different effects and filters. After that, press on the next button in the bottom right corner and upload your video to TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Flash on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.